Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the chapter Stereotype, Prejudice and Discrimination. This chapter is from Social Psychology. It is I think unit number 8 and 9. It is given there in your textbook, in your book, which is given by the IDOL. So stereotype, prejudice and discrimination, actually these are the points very essential to learn in psychology, especially for India. We are the student from India, and what kind of Indian society in which we are living, and there how this stereotype, prejudice and discriminations are there, which we need to understand as a student of psychology. And in that way, this chapter, this particular unit or chapter is very essential to study as a student of psychology. So I'll discuss this in very brief to just make you understand, just an overview of chapter I'll give. So what is that? Understand first what is prejudice, what is discrimination, what is stereotype. Okay, so prejudice is what? Prejudice is negative emotional response or dislike based on group membership. So we have prejudice. We have, what is prejudice means? We have a negative emotional response to some other or towards some other groups, okay, or other people who belong to different groups. All right. Or dislikes. We don't like certain groups, certain people. So for example, if we belong to XYZ religion, we hate or we don't like or we may have negative response or dislike feeling toward other ABC religion. Okay, so this is a real situation in India, all right, which we are experiencing not now only but from many years ago, and from there we are carrying, and I thought new generation will not carry, but unfortunately new generation also carrying the same thing. Not everybody, but there are a huge number of people in India who follow this negative feeling, negative emotions, or emotional response or dislike feeling toward other members. Okay, so this is basically prejudice is negative emotional response or dislike toward other members. What is discrimination? Next term is discrimination. So what is discrimination is, that is differential treatment based on the group membership. So once you have a prejudice in your mind, then it turns to the discriminating behavior. Okay, so then you give a treatment to a different people for belong to different group. For example, if you have prejudice in your mind about gender, for example, so suppose you have some negative response, negative feeling, dislike feeling about transgender, and if you happen to meet the person who belong to transgender, then your treatment to that person will definitely change. Okay, or if you have negative feeling, negative prejudice, negative or dislike feeling about you have some prejudiced thinking about women, for example, and if you come across to see that a woman is a girl child when she grow, if she is performing on the stage, you don't like, or there are in our country only, there are some states in India where women are not still allowed to wear jeans. Okay, so this kind of, because they have that women should not give the freedom and all that kind of prejudiced thinking is there, which turn into the treatment, negative treatment. Okay, similarly about the caste we can say, similarly about the gender as I said. Okay, and there are many more aspects I can discuss later. Okay, what is stereotype then? Stereotype is a belief about what members of the social groups are like. So stereotype is nothing but it's a belief we carry. We have belief about certain people. If these people are, or the member of such particular kind of group are, behave in this manner, or they are like that only. So such kind of belief we develop. What does it mean? We may have belief about women, women's are like that. We may have belief about men, men's are like that. We may have belief about a particular religion. Okay, these religion people are like that only. These religion people are like that only, this caste people are like that only. Okay, then we have belief about the state wise also. Maharashtrian are like that only, Gujarati are like that only. So we have that belief. Okay, so we, and not, it is not only belief, that belief turn into prejudice thinking, prejudice things turn into then discrimination. Okay, so these all three aspects are interrelated, and that's why these three things given here, okay, together. Now how we perceive inequalities, we perceive inequalities, see there are some points how we discriminate, on what basis, what different bases are there, that I'm going to discuss here. So age, we discriminate people on the basis of age. If same age group is there, and if in suppose in a college, suppose all people in a one group are belong to, suppose 20 to 23 age group or 25, okay, and a person from maybe nearby 30 age, if entering into your group, then you started discriminating him, you may not tell something, certain things to him, you may not share, or you may not like. Okay, so age is the one thing. Race and caste, in apart from India there is a race discrimination, but in India caste discrimination. So this is one important aspect where people discriminate. Then marital status, married and unmarried, that is another occupation, where I'm working, what position in which or on which I'm working, okay, what position I'm holding. This is all, if a person holding a big position, he may discriminate people who are working under him, below him, or then it matters of dignity and respect and esteem and everything. So on that basis also people discriminate, not only in India but rest of the world also. Gender, as I discussed, religion of course I discussed, language spoken, that is important. So here we discriminate, it is in India basically, I don't know why our mother tongues are not, it is not English, our mother tongue may be Marathi, maybe Hindi, maybe Gujarati, maybe Tamil, and n number of language you have, but the person who speak English and the person who don't speak English, you don't know how to speak English, here discrimination happens. So we find that that person, if he's not speaking English or she's not speaking English, they don't know anything, and on that basis also in India we do discrimination. So this is important. Sexual orientation, as I discussed, nowadays it is not only male and female, there is now transgender is there also. There are different things are coming, study research is coming about it, and now slowly that sensitization, empathization is happening, but it's slow process. But definitely discrimination on the basis of sexual orientation is happening. And body weight, who is fat, who is fit, who is thin, and not on that basis also people face discrimination at college, at school, at workplace. Okay, so these are the things where people feel that discrimination, inequalities. Okay. Now these things I explain in Marathi, and then we'll move to the next points. Okay, prejudice, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आणि स्टेरियोटाइप हे मुद्दे आपण बघत आहोत. प्रेजुडिसला मराठीमध्ये आपण पूर्वग्रह म्हणतो. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन म्हणजे भेदभाव, आणि स्टेरियोटाइप म्हणजे ज्याला मराठीत काय ह्या टर्मला म्हणायचं मला माहीत नाही, पण स्टेरियोटाइप म्हणजे काय मी तुम्हाला सांगतो. तर प्रेजुडिस म्हणजे काय की आपण एखाद्या विषयी आपल्या मनात जो पूर्वग्रह असतो, पण ती पूर्वग्रह विशेषतः नकारात्मक असतो, नेगेटिव्ह भावना आपल्या मनामध्ये एखाद्या विषय असते, आपण कोणातरी आपल्याला कोणतरी आवडत नसतं, ही जी भावना आहे ते म्हणजे प्रेजुडिस असतं. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन म्हणजे आपण ज्याला भेदभाव म्हणतोय ना, तर ती डिस्क्रिमिनेशन म्हणजे आपल्या डोक्यामध्ये एखादा पूर्वग्रह असेल, त्याच्या आधारे आपण दुसऱ्यांना जेव्हा नकारात्मक ट्रीटमेंट द्यायला लागतो त्याला आपण डिस्क्रिमिनेशन म्हणायचं. स्टेरियोटाइप म्हणजे काय, तर स्टेरियोटाइपला मराठीत काय म्हणतात त्या टर्मला माहीत नाही, पण तुम्हाला मी ते काय म्हणजे सांगतो की स्टेरियोटाइप म्हणजे बिलीफ, आपली धारणा असते एखाद्या विशिष्ट ग्रुपबाबत की हा ग्रुप असाच आहे, या गटातली माणसं, या धर्माची माणसं, या जातीची माणसं, या स्टेटमधली माणसं, ही भाषा बोलणारी माणसं अशीच असतात, अशी जी काही धारणा आपली असते त्याला आपण स्टेरियोटाइप म्हणायचं. आता समाजामध्ये ही जी इनइक्वालिटी, असमानता जी वाढत चाललेली असते ती कशामुळे वाढत चाललेली आहे, एकच मिनिट, ती कशामुळे वाढत चाललेली आहे की ते कोणते घटक आहेत ज्याच्यामुळे वाढतात. ते घटक म्हणजे एकतर वय, कमी वयाची माणसं मोठ्या वयाच्या माणसांना डिस्क्रिमिनेट करू शकतात, किंवा मोठ्या वयाची माणसं लहान वयाच्या माणसांना डिस्क्रिमिनेट करू शकतात. जात आहे, धर्म आहे, मॅरिटल स्टेटस, कामाच्या ठिकाणी होणाऱ्या डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, मोठ्या पदावर काम करणारी माणसं छोट्या पदावर काम करणाऱ्या माणसांना डिस्क्रिमिनेट करू शकतात. लिंग आहे म्हणजे जेंडर ज्याला म्हणू आपण, लँग्वेज भाषेच्या आधारे आपण डिस्क्रिमिनेट केलं जातं आहे की नाही. सेक्शुअल ओरिएंटेशन आहे म्हणजे लैंगिकता माणसाची कशी असेल, एखाद्याची लैंगिकता काय आहे. स्त्री पुरुष हे तर सामान्य लिंग आपल्याला माहिती आहेत, पण आता हल्ली आपल्याला सगळं कळतं की ट्रान्सजेंडर ही एक टर्म जी आहे की बाबा वेगळ्या प्रकारचे सेक्शुअल ओरिएंटेशनसुद्धा असू शकतात, पण त्याच्या आधारेपर्यंतसुद्धा डिस्क्रिमिनेट केलं जातं. आणि बॉडी वेट, एखादा व्यक्ती जाडा असेल, एखादा व्यक्ती खूप बारीक असेल, तर यांना आपण कशाप्रकारे डिस्क्रिमिनेट करत असतो, ते सगळे घटक आहेत. यांच्या आधारे आपल्याला इनइक्वालिटी पाहायला मिळते, अनुभवायला मिळते. तर हे सगळेचे घटक आहेत. ओके, याच्या पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बाकीचे मुद्दे याच्यातले बघून घेऊया. थँक्यू.